I am Pawan and I welcome you in my YouTube channel. And today we are going to fix the gap between driveway and the garage. As you can see, there is a lots of beads between that gap, and I want to get rid of it permanently. So for that, what I need to do is first I need to fill this gap, which is inch and a half, and I will take out these beads from here. When during the winter this gets water penetrates inside, and that way what happened is the driveway surface got sunk. So I want to get rid of all those type of problems. So for that I'm just sealing it. I have this bead remover hand tool. With this I'm going to clean this little bit before filling it. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove these little beads which we have here, and so I removed the beads. Now I'm going to use the broom. And now I'm going to fill some material here, like sand or maybe paver sand can be filled in, but here I'm filling this play sand which I got it earlier. So I'm filling this sand because if I fill directly that self-leveling concrete, then what will happen is that it will consume a lot of tubes, so it would be more expensive, and I don't think we need to put like into all that filling needs to fill with concrete, self-leveling concrete. So that's why I'm using this sand. I have got Sikaflex self-leveling cement from Home Depot, and you can find in Home Depot like the masonry section. There you can easily find it. And this is the big cartridge, and this is for horizontal applications. So I'm going to apply this, and once I apply, automatically it will just self-leveled and seal it from the top. I have got the gun, so that gun is like for the small cartridge. So now what I need to do is I need to get the new gun from, I will go to the store and I will get it. We had a small one, it wasn't fitting. This is the bigger size. So we went to a store and we got the new one. And now we can fit in, and so hello friends, so this is how we have sealed driveway and garage entry. So what we did is here we applied the self-leveling sealant, completely sealed, and there is a no gap between like the driveway and garage expansion. So it is completely filled. Now there will be no water penetration and it will perfectly work during the winters and the rainy times. Watching, if you like my video, you can please share with family and friends. Thank you. Please keep watching.